Hello and welcome to the video tutorial for the Google Keyword Domains script. Very simple script. It's not very complex at all. Just thought it would be good to show you an example of how it works, explain the results and that kind of thing, just to make sure everything's clear on the things you can do with this tool. Basically, all you need to do is take a keyword and input it in the search box. In this case, we'll use, I've already got a few I've played around with, but here's a good one that worked out, DVD player. And you hit search, and when you hit search, what happens is it takes this keyword and using the Google AdWords API, it queries Google's keyword tool through the API and returns the search volume up to 100 results, keyword results related to this the root word DVD player. It's for the exact match search volume, and then it also checks the availability for the .com/net and .org domain extensions. So let's just go ahead and do a search. And it'll take a few seconds. It's got to grab the data and then it's got to feed everything into the domain checker. And here we go. And let's start with, one thing I like to do is I like to sort by the global exact match search volume so I can get the results in ascending order, those keywords with the most search volume. And then it'll show us obviously the search volume, local competition numbers. This is an indication of the amount of advertisers advertising on this keyword. So the higher the number, the highest number is 1. The higher the number means the more advertisers, and the lower number means fewer advertisers. And so then we can see the availability columns here for .com/net and .org. So we see we have download DVD player, which .net and .org are showing as available. So I'm going to click on the link for the .net, and it's going to go and basically just queries GoDaddy to see if it's available, and we see that download DVD player.net is available. Use for this particular site, I would assume someone searching for this is looking for some kind of software to play DVDs on their computer, and so you could have a site, content site that lists different options for downloading good DVD players, or just review certain software packages and wrap it in AdSense ads and that kind of thing to monetize it. Gets 9,900 searches a month globally. And let's see, then here's Philips DVD player. We'll check the .org. This might be a little riskier to go after since it does have a trademark in the keyword here, and it will be in the domain, but it could be a great site for reviewing Philips DVD players or aggregating information on Philips DVD players and using affiliate links and that kind of thing to monetize it. So we see that this one's available as well, and it gets 8,100 searches a month. And let's see, and here's another Windows DVD player. We'll check out the .org as well. I tend to like .org domains for no other reason than I just kind of like how they look better than a .net in my mind. But anyway, it's available as well. Now, something to keep in mind is that to check domain availability, we query zone files. This is basically a huge text file that is released every day, listing all the registered domains for the .com/net and .org that have active name servers. And so basically, if a site is not hosted anywhere or parked anywhere and doesn't have a name server attached to it, then it won't show as registered. So there is a chance you'll get some false positives, something that looks available but is not. And so that's why you need to click on these buttons to confirm over here at GoDaddy and see if they actually are available. The vast majority of domains are listed in the zone files. It's updated daily. We query the zone files daily from the most recent updated version. But that's just something to keep in mind. The benefits of using the zone files is that the queries are much faster. We don't have to worry about getting banned by the registrars and things like that. So Google Keyword Domain Script, that's all there is to it.